There's also an alternative to the user story, because in many situations, putting a persona or end user in the first part is kind of artificial. It's long story short, it's usually because unmaturity of the organization and some hidden or unhidden impediments which need to be overcome by the during the agile transformation. So there's another option, another format, which is called job story, and job story has also 3 parts and starts from the when. And after when, we describe a situation when something, some action, some functionality might be needed or needs to be run. So we have a when situation. Then I want to. Here we have a motivation and then expected outcome. And this alternative is very good for the situation where we have a problem with defining the end user, and this may help us also to be more empathic in writing and preparing a better backlog and then have a better system. And the important part of each product backlog item is a acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria should have 2 functions. Basically, show the developers when we should stop working on a product backlog item, when we can consider that it's ready. And another is that acceptance criteria, together with the definition of done, give a hint to the developers what kind of actions, what kind of a work they need to do to accomplish the product backlog item, right? And the last thing I would like to share with you is that preparing the product backlog items, writing user stories, job stories, preparing the acceptance criteria is a collective work. It cannot be done by the one person, some business analyst or whoever, or product owner. Generally, it should be done together with the whole team, in one meeting, in one room. If there is a possibility, you should invite the end user and key stakeholders, because this will foster the knowledge sharing and common understanding. And in the result, when you will write the user story in the product backlog item, then such a user story will be confirmation to the stakeholders and the end users that you fully understand their need and you know what to do to fulfill it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Scrum on!